Hi, welcome. Today we are going to make disgusting food out of other ingredients we have in the kitchen.
Correction, amazing food, exquisite.
So these are our beautiful ingredients.
Let's get cooking.
Okay, so have my bread. This looks like kitty litter. This absolutely looks disgusting. I can't even spread well because of this mask. Get it in there. Now, where is the... How are you doing?
Huh?
How are you doing?
I'm doing very good. I'm creating some exquisite food.
Me too. Oh, this is my favorite part.
Exquisite.
That's pretty good.
That looks yummy.
Let me see. Oh my god. Can you pass me the next one?
Huh?
I hate it so much.
That's disgusting.
Where's the maple? Oh no! Oh my gosh! This is pretty weird. What's this? Do you know what this is?
Poison.
I'm not gonna use this.
Just one.
I hope Gordon Ramsay likes this. What else can I put in this slice of bread?
I guess it's coming out the top.
Hold on. I have a really good idea. I can't. I touched it! So bad for doing this. Torture.
need this. And to top it off, no sandwich can't be topped off. Come on. With some mustard. Okay, I am done.
I'm not. I just need to get off this thing. I will do some things off camera. Okay, I call this one Tommy in a Taco Bell. As you see here, there's a lot of salt and Vegemite on top. Pretty amazing, right? All the mustard, there's more salt in there.
Now, mine is a delightful, light and tangy sandwich. As you look on the top, we have a lot of mayonnaise and a little bit of salt. But now when you go in, you see just a beautiful mixture of poison.
Now that's all we have for today. So thank you for watching.
Now, in the top right, left, or bottom right, left corner will be a thing that will appear. I don't know where it is, but vote which one is more zestier.